It's my honor and privilege to present Datuk Dr. Nicole David as the Pro-Chancellor of Heriot-Watt University Malaysia. We are greatly honored that one of Malaysia's most celebrated sports icons has agreed to become our Pro-Chancellor. Vice-Chancellor, I present to you Datuk Dr. Nicole David to install as Pro-Chancellor of Heriot-Watt University Malaysia.
It is with great honor that I have been asked to become the Pro-Chancellor of Heriot-Watt University Malaysia. I am truly grateful and honored to be part of the installation ceremony here today at our July graduation for the Malaysia campus. Vice-Chancellor, I look forward to working closely with you, the Chancellor and other colleagues as Pro-Chancellor in Malaysia in support of this wonderful university.
And of course today we've had the great pleasure to formally welcome Dr. Nicole David, our famous Malaysian sports person, as she is installed as our second Pro-Chancellor here. And Nicole, thank you so much for your words of encouragement and your personal inspiration and your vision and your character. We feel so delighted and we wish you well in your leadership role ahead in Paris.
I would like to share my impact statement with all of you today, and thanks to Professor Mushtaq's guidance in this process. I am a champion of humanity, and my purpose is to encourage others with kindness and humility to reach their full potential.